Kurt Winston Panela, and I am a nursing student nurse, and I will demo post-mortem care on a patient that has been recently declared dead. So before anything else, we should know about, and I mean, we should know and mindful of the doctor's order first. We have to wait for the doctor's confirmation if the patient is already dead. So I've already prepared my equipment, my clean gloves, my cotton balls, and also clean towels, clean clothes, diapers, and also the basin and also cravat. So I will be starting. So at first po, kailangan po natin let the patient family members to grieve with their loved ones. Then we should ask for their permission, and after that we can ask them if they want to be there while we are doing the post-mortem care with the patient. So after that, I will provide some privacy. So first is cleaning the patient with the basin and also the towels. Pero before that, we should take off any jewelries, any watches, and valuable items on the patient if there's any. So I will check first. But before touching the patient, we should put on our medical gloves, our clean gloves, to protect ourselves from any serum from the patient. The standard procedure in handling a patient. So first, cleaning the patient. I will get the basin with the water and start doing the cleaning on the patient. Should take off also their clothes. The clothes of the patient. I'm cleaning it. After cleaning, so we're done with cleaning the patient, and after that, cleaning the patient, I will put some cotton balls on the eyes, ears, and also the ears of the patient, so that yung yung patient po natin, kasi after po mamatay, meron pong mga spills on yung mga fluids po inside the body will sometimes lumalabas po sa ears, eyes, and also meron din po sa ears. So I will put some cotton on the patient, on the eyes. So be mindful po na pag namatay po ang patient, we should close the eyes of the patient and also put the dentures back on the patient para po hindi magkaroon ng any deformation on the face. So, I will put 2 cotton balls on the patient. Secure it with the tape so that it won't go anywhere. Next. Then after that, the cravat will be used to on the patient para po pag once po na nagkaroon ng stiffening of the body, hindi po mahuhulog yung jaws ng patient. So I will tie the patient's jaw and up. Include the ears on with tying the cravat. So after securing the cottons on the patient, I will put the diaper on the patient. So the next, giving time with the family of the patient. Bigyan po natin ng time yung family ng patient to be with them and encourage them to say goodbye. Especially po, nasa grieving process pa rin po sila. So, after that, we will put some, I have here 3 tags. I will put 1 on the hands of the patient. On the foot of the patient. And then, I will wrap the patient po using the shroud. So, shroud. This is the shroud. Then tayo with the cloth. So, before securing the whole shroud, I will put the tag on the top of the shroud. Pin it or tape it on the shroud so it will be secured. Then I will document and also ready to transfer to the mall. So that's all for this demonstration, and thank you. Wala, hindi naka-record.